Okay, so you see this street right here, it's called Rua da Madeira. So we're gonna follow this street called Rua da Madeira. So and just give you a little context. Down this way, it's kind of like a main street that's, and down here is where the old ports used to come in, and then we have some, anyways, I'll tell you all about that in a minute, and we're gonna go down the street. So stay tuned. Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua da Madeira, Street of Madeira. Madeira is an island in Portugal. Beautiful island. Looks like Hawaii when I look at pictures of it, but even cooler. And it looks like they have a street named after it too. And the lighting is just amazing tonight. Look at that. So okay, so Rua da Madeira. So we're walking towards Pont 16. This is where historically the boats used to come into Macau, but it doesn't anymore, of course, because now there's a couple other ferry terminals now. See, we got some stuff like that on the street. We got fruits and vegetables. Oops. Let's see, barbershop. Happy New Year. Okay. So, yeah, so this is called Rua da Madeira. Rua da Madeira. Another shop. Yeah, this street is looks like it's mostly residential. I'm gonna be walking in the middle of it. And a lot of stuff is closed. It's Sunday, but this particular street seems a little bit more closed than other streets. I don't know why. Almost all these gates are closed. But we'll keep following it anyways. Barbershop? Oh yeah. That barbershop design, I've seen it in other places too, so I don't know if it's a chain or not. There's another barbershop there too. Restaurant that's closed, Focus. So, okay. So we're just gonna keep on following this straight down. Let's just see if we can see anything cool. Nah. Rua da Madeira. Let's just kind of see what else we got here. That looks kind of cool. Okay. Huh. Okay, this is cool right here because this old hotel is has some historical value to it. I think it's called East West, or we'll see in a minute. Oh, East Asia Hotel it's called. It's cool. This is right on the street that I wanted. So this Madeira street also has this, which is something I wanted to see. Oh, and I also wanted to film this too. We're gonna come back and film that in a minute. So East Asia Hotel. That's kind of cool, that building like that. We're gonna come back and film that. That's gonna be a separate video. We'll just kind of go down a little bit and then conclude this one. Oh, this is Commune. It looks like a kind of a nice little shop there. Commune. Let's see, and then this one is really cool. This green building. That might be a good conclusion area, actually. This one. So yeah, this building is beautiful. Look at that. So maybe we're gonna walk around the building, or at least walk and see more of it. Anyways, Rua da Madeira, and then straight ahead is Pont 16, which is where the boats used to come in. Now it's a hotel. I've gone in there sometimes, but I haven't really explored the Pont 16 The little bit I did, it didn't really seem that interesting, but there's that cool east-west building. There's this cool green one. I'm gonna do a separate video for that. Oh, we just changed names, so now it's Rua da Madeira. So that's gonna be the end of our Rua da Madeira street. But let's just kind of, we'll go up to the Pont 16. So this is where all the boats used to come in way 30, 40, 50 years ago or whatever, historically. So they come up to this busy little place here. So there you go, Pont 16. So we'll end it for Rua da Madeira.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.